Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Instabridge account. First, open the Instabridge app on your mobile device. Once it's open, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Tap on it to access the settings menu. From there, you'll need to find the section related to your account or profile. This is where you'll manage your personal information and account preferences. After navigating to your account settings, scroll through the options until you find something like Delete Account or Close Account. It might be under a Privacy or Security submenu. Before proceeding, take a moment to read any warnings or information about what happens to your data. This ensures you understand the implications of deleting your account permanently. To finalize the deletion, Instabridge might ask you to re-enter your password for security verification. This step helps ensure that only you can delete your account. Once confirmed, you should receive a message indicating that your account has been successfully deleted. After this, you can safely uninstall the Instabridge application from your phone or tablet, completing the process. After your account is deleted, all your shared Wi-Fi contributions and personal data associated with that account will be permanently removed from Instabridge's servers. This means your information is no longer accessible. Should you ever wish to use Instabridge again in the future, you would simply need to create a brand new account from scratch. The process is straightforward and ensures your privacy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.